What's up, YouTube? Took a break for a week, went to the beach with my family. I'm back now in the shop. Gonna try to get back started working on this 49 Chevrolet truck. Today I'm gonna get the seat bolted down in place, and I'm using a frame for mock-up. I'm gonna get it all bolted in place where I can put the seat that he has covered. Hang tight with me and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be working on today. Okay, here's the seat I'm using for mock-up. The riser has been cut out of this truck that this seat would bolt to originally. So I had to build some brackets for this seat frame to bolt to. And then I'm gonna get all my measurements made here on the side of the truck. On each side, I'm gonna make sure I'm even and everywhere with it. And then I'm gonna get my holes drilled through marked and drilled through the floor where this seat frame will be ready to bolt down. I'm also going to put some extra metal up under the floor and weld some nutserts to that, where that way it'll be more secure if the truck was to ever get into an accident. But anyway, I'm going to get these holes marked or my measurements made and get these holes marked and get ready to start drilling my holes through the floor. I'm going to plasma out a few pieces of metal for the seat to bolt through the floor too, just to have some extra meat underneath the floor for the seat to bolt down through. Alright, here's some 1/4 inch steel that I cut out in a square. I got to drill a hole into it, and I'm going to weld a nut onto that and then weld this piece of metal to the bottom of the floor, and that way the seat can bolt down. And there's some extra material there to help if the truck was just ever in an accident. Alright, I got this metal bolted in. I had to offset this front one just a little bit, but I'm going to weld this nut here to this piece of metal. I'm going to clean this here with flap disc or metal wheel or whatever. Get some bare metal there, and I'm going to weld this piece of metal to the floor around here some. And then you can unbolt the seat out of the truck and bolt it back in with ease. And also there's some added material there to where if the truck was ever in an accident, it's just a little stronger. That way, since the seat riser was cut out of this truck, that'll help secure it a little better for a little extra added safety. Alright, here it is. I've got the nutsert welded to the piece of metal, and I've got the metal welded to the floor on all 4 of the seat bolts. So that part is done. I've got the seat ready to bolt in now. Guys, that's going to wrap this video up. As I said before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified when I post new videos. If you like what I'm doing and you like seeing these videos, comment, let me know what you think about them, or give me a thumbs up on the video. That way it gives me the motivation to keep making them. I'm trying to get on a steady roll of getting content out every week. But again, thanks for tuning in. You guys have a good day.